Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Index Engineering. So in today's episode, we have an unboxing that we're going to do of a new tool that I hope you guys enjoy. Before that though, we're going to do a little bit of cleanup around the shop. As you can see, it's quite a bit of a mess, so enjoy the time lapse. Alright everybody, so now we're going to do the unboxing of the couple of items I have here, and then I'll get it set up for you. We'll do a time lapse on that, and then we'll test it out. So, I hope you enjoy what we got here. This, I'm not exactly sure. I have an idea on what it is, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's go ahead and bring you guys in real nice and close like. We'll actually open the second. Definitely put a ton of tape on here. This is Tig Welder. We have ourselves the 200 amp AC DC TIG by Weldpro. So far the packing is actually really good. Lots of foam in here, so nothing's going to rattle around. Nice thick, solid foam. I'm guessing this is the box with all the accessories. Not too bad. Kind of a small unit. That is a AC/DC TIG, but it also does stick welding too. Oh wow. So they had that all packed in solid foam. And then if you notice too, they even put the metal brackets in the corner of the box to give it more stability yet too. pretty good construction on the shipping. And this has got to be all the accessories. Oh yeah, CK Worldwide TIG. Alright, let's toss this on the bench over there and do a little more in-depth. So some of the other things that I got, let's see here. Picked up some filler rod for aluminum, some 1/16 filler rod, and then I picked up some 3/32 for mild steel. And even though it is not a Miller TIG, I did pick up some Miller TIG welding gloves. Feel good, give us some protection. All right. Lots of the gel. Lots of the gel, which is good. Don't want any excess moisture getting into the electronics. Weldpro, kind of sharp. Got the on-off switch on the back. Got the spot for the tank in. Standard 220 plug. Does 2T, 4T, AC, DC, lots of other options as well. The cool thing about this is, one of the reasons I went with this one over some of the other models was the accessories that it came with. Accessories can be expensive, especially if you want to get good stuff like the CK Worldwide torch. This is the actual CK Worldwide torch, it's not just a knockoff. I mean, look at got the connector for the hand trigger if you want to add that. And the braided line on it's good quality. And then a lot of the TIGs in this price bracket come with the cheap foot pedal. Look at the size of this. I mean, the size of my glove is the same size as this foot pedal. You don't have to worry about your foot slipping off. Real nice smooth motion on it. It's gonna make for starting and stopping the welds really easy. Comes with your basic cups for it. Comes with a couple of the rods. It even has an adapter, so if you want to run this on 110 instead of 220, you can. Provided you have, I imagine, probably a 20 amp circuit for it, but it does have the adapter for it as well. I'll definitely be running this on 220 and not 110. Comes with the hose for the argon. the sleeve for the torch line. That's actually really nice. This has got the zipper on that too. Nice thick material. I'll have to get that all put through there too. Got your standard electrode for the stick welding. Pretty stiff there. Pretty heavy duty. Your electrode for the grounding. As well. And this should be our regulator. So it even comes with a regulator for your tank. Of course, some adapters too if you need them. All right, so this is the unboxing of the Weldpro. I'm going to go through and put it all together. I hope you enjoy. All right, everybody, we are back. We got the TIG all put together. I'm about to do the first power on and check some of the settings and see how it goes. So power switch is on the back. First, all right, so we got the welder put together. We're gonna go through and play around with a couple settings on this, and then we're going to take and try and do some welding. Hopefully the interference from this doesn't mess with the camera, but it probably will, so you guys probably won't be able to see anything.
have a TIG welder. It is definitely not the prettiest weld out there, but hey, that's the first time doing TIG. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a bit of playing around with the TIG welder over the next few days. So I'm going to try and shoot some video of this. Hopefully this video turned out. So stay tuned for more videos, more updates, and more work around the garage using the Weldpro TIG welder. Have a good one, guys.